guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video I've got something a little bit different. I was sent an email by somebody who works for a website called Niceneeded, and they asked me if I'd like to review some of their products for them, and I said yeah, I'd love to. So they give me the website and they said pick a few items off the website what you would like and we'll send you them. So I decided to pick these gorgeous gems. Look at those. How pretty are they? I've not seen anything like them. Nothing like them. They're stunning. Then I chose some 5D Christmas stickers. And then lastly, I chose some of these. Oh, you wait till you see these, guys. These are beautiful. Look at all these gold charms. They are stunning. So they all come in these sealed packs. They was delivered by Hermes. They take about the same sort of time as AliExpress to arrive. They wasn't super long, but they wasn't super quick. But they do also have an Amazon store as well. So if you're not keen on waiting and you don't mind paying a little bit more, then you can order off the Amazon site. So I'm going to show you the website and I'm going to show you how you can order from it. It's really, really simple, easy to use. And then we'll come back, take a look at these, and I'm going to do a little design using them. So let's check out the website, shall we? Right, so here we go. I've never added a screen recording to a video before, so I've not got a clue how this is going to go, but please bear with me, guys. Hopefully it'll go all right. So this is the website, niceneeded.com. You can see in the top there it says worldwide free shipping on orders over $50. Now, can you see in the top right hand corner the 3 lines? Click on that and you've got all your options: nail stamping, nail decorations, nail tools, nail stickers, all products. So we'll click on all products. And then you can filter. So you've got 3D nail rhinestones, 3D nail stickers, alloy decorations. Let's look at 3D nail rhinestones. Oh, they're cute. Look at them little bells. Oh, they're so cute. So these are all your products. You've got 6 pages. These are the ones that I chose, the ones on the right hand side. Oh, these are cute. Look at these ones. Oh, I like them. Then you've got a picture of what they are, the sizes, how to use, sizes again, inspo pictures. So, say if you want to order them, add them to your cart. Click the X. Go back. See what else we want to buy. What else shall we buy, guys? Let's buy some. Oh, some of these teddy bears. These are cool. Black, white and silver. And it tells you about what's in the pack, about the item. So anyway, let's add them to cart. Go to the top of the screen, click on, can you see the top right hand screen next to them 3 dashes? You've got your shopping bag, click that. So we've got 3D cute bear resin nail art decorations and a 20-piece nail art rhinestone kit. Go to checkout. So I've already filled in my details, but for those of you that's not been on the website before, it'll ask you to create an account, which is easy enough to do. I've just put in some fake details there, obviously. And then you've got your $4.69 shipping, continue to payment. And I think as far as I'm aware, it is pay with PayPal, because I can't see any options to add a card by the looks of this. PayPal. So then you've got your billing address, same as shipping address, or use different billing address, and then click complete order. And then, like it says here, after clicking complete order, you'll be redirected to PayPal to complete your purchase securely. So that is how you place an order on this website, guys. Really, really easy site to use. They've got loads and loads of products. So if I click all products there, let's see how many pages there is. 113 pages. They've got loads and loads of gorgeous products to choose from. So I shall leave the link to this website in my description box below. Click that and it will direct you straight to this website. Right, so I'm going to start off by giving these 3 nails a coat of my favourite gel polish ever, which is Madam Glam's Cat's Pyjamas. And I'm just going to do 3 nails today, guys. Now look at all those. How pretty are they? Eee! They're stunning. Absolutely stunning. The little teddy with the star. And the heart. And the bunny. Oh, look at that key as well. Beautiful. They are so pretty. And really good quality as well. I was expecting them to be quite cheap and naff when they turned up, but no, they're really, really good quality. Look at them shining. Super shiny. Oh, I can't wait to have a play with these. Now look at these stickers, guys. They're called 5D stickers, so they're raised. I'm hoping you're going to be able to see them. Oh, you can, yeah. So that one's got all different snowflakes on. That one's got, oh, I love this one. Look at the winter scene. Oh, wow, they are so cool. You got icicles, more snowflakes, snow. Really, really pretty they are. These are cool. Look, you've got your chevron smile lines, more snowflakes, little stars. I love that they've got the little half snowflakes as well. Half one there, top, bottom of one there. They're really cool. This one's got, I bet you can see them a bit better like that, can't you? More icicles, icicle snow, trees. More snowflakes, snowmen. Oh, they are really, really cool. Oh, this one's cute. Look at that. So again, you've got like 3/4 snowflakes. Look at these little hearts with the sweater pattern. Oh, wow. They are so cool. Individual ones. Oh, they're so pretty. I've not seen anything like these either. They're really, really unusual. And then lastly, I think this is the one I might use today. All different sweater prints. How cool are they? I think I might use either this or this. I'm not sure yet. Or I might use the heart. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure yet, but I'm definitely going to be using one of these today. So there we are, that is the 5D stickers. So I've given this nail a coat of the Madam Glam shiny top coat, but I'm not going to cure that because into that uncured top coat I'm going to be applying these crystals. Now if I was doing this design on my nails, I would use gem glue, because gem glue is a lot stronger than just applying them into top coat. But because I'm only doing it on tips, I'm just going to stick it into the top coat for this design. So I pulled out a few different shapes and I'm going to create a kind of snowflake design. And then once I'm happy with that, I shall pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds and that will hold them crystals all in place. So we've got a cute little snowflake. How pretty are those crystals, guys? Look how pretty they are. Oh, look at them shining. Shine bright like a diamond. They are so pretty. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So on this nail, I'm going to apply one of these cute sweater designs. So I'm going to stick this into the tacky layer from the gel polish. Once I'm happy with it and I've got it all nice and straight, I then need to seal that in so it doesn't start peeling off. So I shall apply a coat of the Madam Glam's shiny top coat over the top of it and then cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and that is that nail done. I've got a cute little corner snowflake. I'm just going to pop that in that corner there. Right guys, now I'm going to stick one of these charms on this nail. And I think I want to use this one. That is my favourite one, so I'm thinking I'm going to use that one. So to stick these larger charms down, even though they are actually curved at the back, so they will fit really nice to the nail. Can you see that they're curved? I'm hoping you can see that. Really well curved. So they will fit nice and flush to the nail, but I just think with these larger charms, you're better off sticking them to the nail with polygel. I just want to give the nail a tiny little bit of a buff just where I'm going to apply that polygel. And that'll just make sure that it sticks better. This polygel will not stick to a shiny surface. So I'm just going to pop a teeny tiny bit. I don't need a lot. And then I'm just going to stick that into that polygel. And I'm going to give that a 60-second cure. So there we are guys, that is a cute little set I've done, just using some of the goodies what I've been sent. What do you think? Sometimes it's nice to be able to just stick things on the nail and create something super pretty in such quick time, especially if you're a beginner, if you're in a salon, or if you just fancy a quick change up. I think it's great that you can just spruce them up with these goodies. I shall leave the link to their website in my description box below, so if you want to go over and check them out you can do, and I shall also leave their Amazon store as well in there. I still can't get over how good quality these charms are. I was really expecting them to be quite naff, but they're not. They're super shiny. They're so pretty. And they're curved as well, which I love. So they're going to fit the nail lovely and flush. I mean, look at that teddy. That is so flush to the nail. So that's everything for this video, guys. I want to say a massive thank you to Niceneeded for sending me these. I really enjoyed having a play with them. And I'm sure you'll see me creating more designs with these items in upcoming videos. So keep your eyes peeled for them videos. So I think that's everything. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.